Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D kids cartoon video with AI. Okay, to create the video guys, you can use Google AI Studio. You just need to go to your browser and then search for Google AI Studio. And you need to visit this website, and after that you need to choose the generate video menu, and you can describe your video here. And I have asked ChatGPT to create description for my video. So here I just need to paste the description, and you can set the video here guys. You can choose the aspect ratio and the video duration, frame rate, and also the resolution. And after that you're going to click on run prompt. Okay, and then just hold on. Okay, and the video has been completely created by the AI, and then I'm going to play it guys. This is how the video looks like, and then I'm going to download it. Okay, just click on download if you want to save it, and the video will be saved to your device. And if you want to create the other scene, just do the same thing I have told you before. You can add the description, and then you can click on run to generate the video. And after you have done generating scene by scene for your cartoon video, I recommend you to use video editors such as CapCut or Filmora to create the whole video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a 3D cartoon video for kids. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.